Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about Egyptian costume for kids.
I am going to take the cardboard. I am going to cut it there. Cut it like this. And we have to paint all for there. I am going to get the blue paint and color all over the cardboard. This is thermocol plate and we are gonna cut it with the white paper. This looks like good. We have to paint the blue color. We have to color all over the paint. How to dry? Glitter stick and cut it there and make us like this and keep aside. And fix it here. We have to fold it like this. Like this, like this. Take another paper and put like this. And do like this, and do like this. And put it and fold it out like this. Take a gold bag and cut it. You have to cut it like this. Stick all over the mehndi. Put there and put it there. And also we have to put gray to keep center. To cut this for putting hands. We have to stick it up. Our class team is Egypt. Guys, like this video and thumbs up. Subscribe to Mummy channel and click the button on and make a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thank you.